N26 versus Trade Republic. When comparing N26 and Trade Republic, both are innovative financial services but cater to different needs. Here's a quick comparison to help you understand which might suit you better. N26 is a fully digital, mobile-first bank offering a range of services, including personal checking accounts, saving accounts, and debit cards. It's known for its simple, user-friendly app, zero-fee basic accounts, and the ability to manage all of your finance on the go. While Trade Republic, on the other hand, is a mobile-only investment platform that focuses on low-cost trading and investing in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. N26 is a great option for those looking for a fully digital banking experience, especially people who are interested in hassle-free mobile-based banking solutions, while Trade Republic is designed for people who are looking for trade and invest in a wide range of financial instruments. It's especially appealing for new and experienced investors who want to trade stocks, ETFs, and crypto with low or no commissions. The platform of N26 offers a variety of features such as mobile payments, budgeting tools, and instant notifications. While Trade Republic focuses entirely on investing, it offers access over 7,500 stocks and ETFs, as well as crypto trading. Trade Republic provides easy access to global markets with no commission on trades. N26 offers a free basic account, but it charges for premium services like N26 U and N26 Metal, which offers additional features like travel insurance, higher ATM withdrawal limits, and global access, while Trade Republic charges no commission on trades, but it does impose a small fixed fee of €1 per trade, regardless of the investment amount. This makes it highly competitive in terms of low-cost trading. N26 is regulated by the European Central Bank and offers standard banking security features such as two-factor authentication, biometric login, and deposit protection up to €100,000 in the event of bank failure. While Trade Republic is also regulated by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, which is BaFin, and offers strong security measures for trading and investing, including account protection and their German Deposit Guarantee Scheme. N26 is available in several European countries, the US, and soon expanding to more regions, while Trade Republic is primarily available in Germany and other European countries. It has plans for wider expansion in Europe. So, choose N26 if you're looking for a simple digital banking experience that lets you manage your everyday finances and access premium features like insurance and travel perks. And choose Trade Republic if you're focused on low-cost investing and trading with access to a wide range of stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. It's perfect for those who want no-frills investment platform with a low-cost structure. Ultimately, if you're after banking service with a digital-first approach, go for N26. If your focus is on trading and investing, Trade Republic is a better choice. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.